Hi friends! Welcome to today's adventure in math. Today we're going to learn all about adding. Are you ready? Let's go. Adding means putting numbers together. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you have 2 apples. Now, you get 3 more apples. How many do you have now? Just count all the apples to get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 apples. So when we added 2 apples and 3 apples, we got 5 apples. We can write that as 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's called an addition problem. Let's try another one. Let's say we have 3 cookies and our friend has 4 cookies. How many cookies do we have altogether? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3. Now we add the 4 cookies. 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, we have 7 cookies. Yummy. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Great job. You're becoming a master at adding. Let's try one more. You have 5 pencils and you find 3 more pencils. How many pencils do you have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 3 more. 6, 7, 8. You have 8 pencils. So, 5 plus 3 equals 8. You're doing amazing. Here are a few practice questions to try on your own. Pause the video if you need more time to answer them. Remember, you can add anything. Apples, cookies, pencils, or even your favorite toys. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an adding expert. Thanks for joining me today on Learn This. Please ask your parents to subscribe to our channel so you can keep up to date with our latest educational videos. Bye-bye for now.